I gotta say, bro, this guy is one of the best beatbox out there, bro. This guy. We ain't capping, bro. We ain't capping. We ain't capping. So, we're gonna react to Taras Stanin, The Hills. That song was done by The Weeknd like a couple years ago. That song is a masterpiece of song. But I've heard the original instrumental on that song, but I haven't heard the person or a person with the actual beatbox of that song. So this is the perfect example of Mr. Taras Stanin here. I want to hear what he's capable of. I want to hear what he's good at. I want to hear if he's gonna kill this, because I know he'll kill it. No cap, hands down. I know he's gonna kill it, right? So I'm from Jamaica. Reese from Jamaica. If you guys are new, welcome. And if you guys are returning viewer, welcome back. So without further ado, guys, let's see what Mr. Stanin have up his sleeve at this point. I'll see you there. Peace.
Yeah, man on the road, he doing promo. You said keep our business on the low.
To be honest, bro hasn't reached nowhere in this performance, and he's killing it. He's dominating the place, bro. Wow. Youth.
I'm just trying to get you out the friend zone, 'cause you look even better than the photos. Now send me the info.
At this point, I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I mean, like, oh, what the fuck, bro? Bro. Oh. Hey, bro, it's impressive. At this point, I haven't seen no one as good as this man yet. I don't say that none is out there who's better, but I gotta say, nothing beats the original, bro. He's really amazing with this, bro. Trust me.
Need to dress attention, yeah. I was coming since a friend's home. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know.
I mean, like, that part, when you go deeper in his voice, bro, it's so freaking cool, bro. It's so freaking awesome, bro. And I mean, like, I have to do something like this, man. Hey, hey, this is magnificently amazing by Mr. Starastan here, bro. He's doing an excellent job, bro.
I only got you minutes. I've the only got that happen. I only love it when you touch me. Feel me. When I fucked up the feel.
Oh! Ah! Yo! He's unbelievably good, bro. He's unbelievably good, bro. Ah, fuck, bro. I mean, like, I can't believe my ears now. Yo.
Me. You said eyes. You said eyes. Were you to judge? Were you to judge?
I think they should hire him. Hire the damn guy, bro. What are you waiting on? Please hire the darn guy, because he's playing better than most of these mixed and master rhythm, bro. Playing better than the mix and master instrumental, bro. Fuck, bro, is so good, dog. I mean, like, why is he not so huge as yet? Why is his subscription so small, bro? Please, you guys should give this man a chance, bro. Give him a chance. I mean, like, he's quite good. He's really good, bro. He's really good.
Hide your lies, girl.
Ain't no way this guy is an actual human, bro. He can't be an actual human, bro. So we give him something to remember. Ain't no way he's an actual human. Ain't no freaking way, bro. This he can't be real right now.
Said I only love it when you touch me, feel me, but you feel me. Yeah, I only do you that is.
This is so unbelievably amazing, right? Superb music, superb instrument, superb beatbox playing, bro. Bro makes it look so easy, but to be honest, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's freaking hard, bro. It's freaking hard. Freaking hard, bro.
I can only do you ever mine. I only love it when you touch me, not feel me, but not feel me, but not feel me. Yeah.
Oh, fuck, bro. Bro is so amazing. Hey, bro is so amazing. Guys, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.